Hi, excuse me.
Hey, what's up?
Hi, I see you're a working professional. May I ask where do you work?
I actually work in Deloitte.
Oh, Deloitte, that's fantastic. So today I was doing a survey wherein I'm asking working professionals like you, how much time would it take to convert raw data like this into a Power BI dashboard like this?
Dude, that seems a lot of work for me. So probably anything between like 10 to 12 hours.
10 to 12 hours. Okay.
Yeah.
What if I tell you could do this in about 5 minutes?
What?
Yes.
Serious?
Exactly. Let me show you how. Just hold this.
Sure.
And it's done.
Dude, seriously, that looks like I can save hours of my day. How did you do this?
Well, with the help of AI, and I can teach you a lot more if you join my Power BI workshop.
For sure.
And how much do you think this workshop would be for?
Well, since you saved me 4 to 5 hours of my time, I think anything between 1500 to 2000.
1500 to 2000. What if I tell you it's only and only for 99 rupees?
Wait, what?
Exactly. So I'll see you inside the workshop.
It's a deal, man.